Hey my natural beauties, wagwan, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be on this makeup look, just a quick get ready with me video, so I'm not going to be doing a voiceover or anything. Yeah, so don't forget to subscribe and hit that thumbs up button. All the products that I use will be left in the description bar below, as well as all my links to my social media sites. So I will see you guys at the end of the video.
Can't get no help with my Lord on this life road, but when I harvest, them a Chanex, featureless. Where them there? When me a work for my bread, when me dad certified it win. Bad minds chop with the Glock full of shot where them want insert in my head. Me a work for my bread, when me dad certified it win. Bad minds chop with the Glock full of shot where them want insert in my head. Them no know my tears, me no show my fears. Them a chat, me close my ears. Them no know the stairs, me climb throughout the years. If I no problem, only theirs. Yeah, with a helping hand, baby, me see plenty man come and stretch out them empty hand. If I nothing, a 20 grand, yeah, them never can let never. When me a work for my bread, when me dad certified it win. Bad minds chop with the Glock full of shot where them want insert in my head. Me a work for my bread, when me dad certified it win. Bad minds chop with the Glock full of shot where them want insert in my head. Mine, of course them have a lot of it, plus a bad habit, like a crack addict. Never want fi spend, but whatever you buy them, want fi adapt it. As the clock a tick, me young God a flick, so no bother stick around. If me never see you when me broke and me mother sick, fake friend them there. When me a work for my bread, when me dad certified it win. Bad minds chop with the Glock full of shot where them want insert in my head. Me a work for my bread, when me dad certified it win. Bad minds chop with the Glock full of shot where them want insert in my head. Which wizard wants them to change like lizard, but me a cut like scissors. Friends we hard to mind gizzard, black and yellow, yeah. Like the slippers we can leave a wizard. Problems, study your friends like lizard, cause them appear when the money sun shine, but you not see them in the blizzard. So me a run them like rivers through pain. Nah, chill bad mind. Big up Terra Slim. Some friends pan the ends, them not genuine. Them no want see you spread your wings. Them a pray for your drop on your back with the head up in. Shallow grave, them a pray for your end up in. So keep the eyes in your head up in. When me a work for mine, me never see no hero, no heroine. Where them there? When me a work for my bread, when me dad certified it win. Bad minds chop with the Glock full of shot where them want insert in my head. Me a work for my bread, when me dad certified it win. Bad minds chop with the Glock full of shot where them want insert in my head. Tell them stay far with them dirty mind. Hard me a work for mine. Relatives say me no fit turn to crime. Red alert, where them there? When me a work for my bread, when me dad certified it. Can't get no help with my Lord on this life road, but when I harvest, them a Chanex, featureless. Where them there? When me a work for my bread, when me dad certified it win. Bad minds chop with the Glock full of shot where them want insert in my head. Me a work for my bread, when me dad certified it win. Bad minds chop with the Glock full of shot where them want insert in my head. Them no know my tears, me no show my fears. Them a chat, me close my ears. Them no know the stairs, me climb throughout the years. If I no problem, only theirs. Yeah, with a helping hand, baby, me see plenty man come and stretch out them empty hand. If I nothing, a 20 grand, yeah, them never can let never. When me a work for my bread, when me dad certified it win. Bad minds chop with the Glock full of shot where them want insert in my head. Me a work for my bread, when me dad certified it win. Bad minds chop with the Glock full of shot where them want insert in my head. Mine, of course them have a lot of it, plus a bad habit, like a crack addict. Never want fi spend, but whatever you buy them, want fi adapt it. As the clock a tick, me young God a flick, so no bother stick around. If me never see you when me broke and me mother sick fear. Pray them there. When me a work for my
So here's the
bread.
finished look, guys, after I get dressed and everything. The details on the hair are definitely going to be in another video, so stay tuned for that. Yeah, I just hope you guys enjoy. Let me know what you think in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Until next time, stay naturally beautiful. Bye.
Full of shot where them want inserts in my hair. Rich wizard who wants them to change like lizard. But me a cut like scissors. Friends with hearts, mind gizzard. Black and yellow, yeah. Like the slippers we can leave for we have problems. Study your friends like lizard.